to say good to be involved and looking forward to developing in the future. We are a new order this week and had our first training. Very excited about the future working with you guys. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. And
Who's that?
um,
See, they don't let me out of the closet.
normally we usually ask people to send us an email to HYREL3D@gmail.com, even when it comes to live broadcasting, so that we keep you anonymous as you want to be online.
Well, just give me a location for
Yeah.
me.
Um, from yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I already know who you
So-
guys are.
oh, okay.
All right.
So cool. All right. Well, David, you and Rob should get some pints together.
Absolutely. All right, guys. We look forward to working with all of you too. So, blessings on you,
right.
and we look forward to showing you more next week. Have a great evening.
All right. Good night, guys.
Bye bye.